Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Dr. Grace Academy. My name is Engineer Rahman Rihan. Let's start the lecture number 8 of Building Construction Engineering. So the outline of this lecture are we have to do introduction of the formwork, then qualities of good formwork, types of formwork and the base of material. Then we will discuss cost of formwork construction, then formwork for various structure members, de-shuttering, time of removal of formwork, safety precautions, and last we will discuss striking, maintenance and storage of farm work. Farm work or shuttering. So farm work is also called shuttering. So we can define the farm work as it is a temporary structure or mold used in construction to shape and hold concrete in place until it set and gains sufficient strength. So why we provide the farm work? So the purpose of farm work is it helps to shape the concrete into the desired form and structure, and it provides support to the concrete until it gains sufficient strength to support itself. And farm work help to achieve the desired surface finish and texture on the concrete. And farm work ensure that the concrete is poured and set accurately, reducing error and defects, and it provides a safe working platform for workers to access and finish the concrete. Now let's discuss qualities of formwork. So good quality formwork should be watertight to prevent water from seeping into the concrete and causing defects, and the contact surface should be uniform and even to ensure that the concrete surface is smooth and consistent. This helps to prevent any imperfection or defects in the finished concrete. And the formwork should be according to the size of member and built according to its shape of the concrete member being cast. This ensures that the concrete is properly supported and shaped during the setting process. And good quality formwork should be strong and sturdy enough to support the weight of the concrete and any additional loads. And it should be reusable, reducing waste and minimizing the environmental effects of the construction processes. Types of farm work on the base of material. So mainly there are two types of farm work. One is steel farm work and the other one is wooden farm work. So the steel farm work is made of steel sheets, angle iron, T iron, and the wooden farm work is consists of props, planks, battens, ledgers, and sheeting. Steel farm work. Steel farm work, it is a type of farm work made from steel used to shape and hold concrete in place during the construction process. So you can see in the figure. So a steel farm work is durable and can withstand multiple uses, reducing the need for frequent replacement. Steel farm work provides smooth, even finish the concrete surface, reducing the need for additional finishing work. And steel formwork can be quickly assembled and disassembled, allowing for faster construction time. And steel formwork can be reused multiple times, reducing the overall cost of formwork for a project. And it is easy to clean and maintain the steel formwork, and it reducing the risk of damage or contamination. It can be used for complex design. It reduced the labor cost, and steel pump work is environmentally friendly. So steel pumps can be installed and dismantled with greater ease and speeds. The quality of exposed concrete surface by using steel pump is good, and such surface need no further treatment. And steel pump work does not absorb moisture from concrete, and steel pump work does not shrink. So the common application of steel pump work, it is used in the high-rise building, used in the bridges construction, It used in the architectural features uh, such as curved walls or complex uh, bases, and it is used in the infrastructure project such as highway construction or airport expansion. Timber farm work. So timber farm work is a traditional and widely used type of farm work made from wood used to shape and hold concrete in place during the construction process. So the benefits or the purpose of providing timber farm work is it is cost effective than other types of farm work such as steel, and it is familiar material for many construction workers, making it easy to work with, and it can be used for complex designs, and it is environmental friendly. So various size of the member of timbers are given in the table. Sheeting for slabs, beams, column sides, and beam bottom should be of this size, 25 to 40 thick, and joists and ledgers are of this size, and posts are of this size. So joist, it is a horizontal timber beam that span between ledgers. It provides supports for the formwork deck. You can see in the figure that this is the joist which is provided between the ledgers. And ledgers are a horizontal timber beam that are attached to the post, providing a base for the joist. So this is the ledgers uh, that are attached to the post, and posts are the vertical column that supports the sheeting and ledgers. Plywood formwork. So it is a type of formwork that are made from plywood, and it is used and hold concrete in place during the construction process. So the purpose of providing plywood formwork is it provide a smooth finish, and it achieve accurate shapes, and it support concrete until it sets and gains strength, and it reduce the labor cost. Uh, it can be reused multiple times, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. So, a standard plywood thickness on site is 18 but the thickness in depend upon the project. You can see we provide a thinner plywood when the formwork is curved, and thicker plywood may be used when the weight of the concrete causes a standard thickness plywood to bow out, destroying the concrete base. Aluminium formwork. So it is a type of formwork made from aluminium alloy, a lightweight and corrosion resistant metal. So the purpose of providing aluminium formwork are it provide a smooth finish as plywood formwork. It support the concrete, achieve accurate shape, and reduce the construction time. So the aluminium formwork is a lightweight, it corrosion resistance, it can be reused, and it have a high quality finish. It is cost effective. So often used in a prefabricated formwork that is put together on site. It is strong and light, as I discussed, and the lighter section will deflect more, but they can be avoided by simply following the manufacturer recommendation. Plastic formwork. So plastic formwork is a type of formwork made from plastic material such as polypropylene or polyethylene. So it is lightweight, it is durable and reusable formwork system. We are using this to shape and hold concrete in place during the construction process. So as I described that it is a lightweight, it is reusable, and it is easy to clean, reducing labor cost, and it is resistant to chemical, and it is cost effective. So glass reinforced plastics and vacuum pump plastics are used when complicated concrete shapes are required. So the glass reinforced plastic, it is a composite material made from glass fibers and plastic resin, and it is used to create complex shapes and design in plastic formwork. And the vacuum palm plastic formwork is uses a vacuum to shape plastic shape into complex curves and shapes. So it is used to create plastic formwork with smooth, even surfaces. So using glass reinforced plastic and vacuum palm plastics provide a high strength to weight ratio, and it provide complex shape and design. It has smooth finishes, and it is corrosion resistance, and it can reusable. So that's why we are using this in complex concrete shapes. So like steels, plastic formwork can be reused many times as long as care is taken not to score to the surface whilst vibrating the concrete. Now let's discuss process of formwork construction. So this normally involves the following operation. Number first, propping and centering. So propping and centering provide temporary support to hold the formwork in place until the concrete sets. This ensures the formwork remains stable and secure. Number second is shuttering. It involves assembling and installing formwork components such as panels and beam to create the desired shape. Provision of camber. So it involves securing the formwork with ties, anchors, and alignment system to ensure stability and accuracy. And last, cleaning and surface treatment. So in this, prepare the formwork surface for concrete pouring by removing dirt and applying release agents or bonding agents. So it ensures proper bonding and easy removal of formwork.